Welcome to Barbara's Garage. We're gonna do some fun stuff.
She a ripper? Here is the F700 donor truck. Single cab, 6-speed, 4x4, kind of a custom flatbed. We're gonna obviously do more work to it. Pretty sick, got the dovetail in the back. Here is the moneymaker right here. Ooh! Got a compound setup on this bad boy. Dash is cracked for anyone who cares.
You see? Yeah, you really can't be too safe these days. A lot of debris out there.
All right.
Put the visor down. Don't hit.
I feel really bad for tearing this truck apart, but
well, I mean, no cracks on the dash either. I mean, it's
what, dude? No, dude! We're gonna keep chipping away, see if we can rip some more of these parts off. Here's a better look at the compound turbos, the engine. I've been driving it around for the last day and a half, and the engine is super healthy. We're gonna need some transmission work. 5th gear grinds, 3rd gear is a little hard to get into, but we'll send it off and get it rebuilt.
I thought you were just doing like a wash and detail.
Oh, we got fans rolling by. Dude, there's always something going on at the garage. It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
There's a fire, there's cars. There's too much going on. I don't know what to do. All right, it is another day at the Brown Bros junkyard. We are still stripping apart the 2nd gen. We have the cab sitting outside today, and we've made some pretty good progress. We've got the hood, both the fenders, both the doors, the seats out, getting ready to start taking off the cab mount so we can rip it off and put the F700 on it. Here is the F700 cab sitting outside. The yellow is so vibrant. I am super pumped. Once we get some Poppy's patina on it, it's gonna look even better. The inside is a majority red. We're gonna paint it black. We'll probably get some of the red off the dash, so we'll have a yellow dash. Still have a little bit more rust repair to do. But yeah, everything's looking really good. Still have a little bit of work to do in the back corner. Passenger corner's already done. Yeah. So I was struggling with the dash a little bit. I couldn't quite get it out in one piece. I wanted to be very careful not to break it. Either way, I had Andrew help me with the dash. I was able to start it, but I needed his help with the expertise not to crack the dash.
Okay.
Let's check in and see the progress he's made so far.
We got the dash out. Hey, don't break it.
There's nothing left of the dash.
It's all here, dude. It's all here. Oh yeah, it's fine. It's here, dude. There's nothing.
The steering wheel is hanging down.
Back up on that.
Oh, we got the dash out in one piece. It says plural. Steering column is out, and all the electronics have been unplugged. That took a while. Not too bad though. Almost ready for the cab mounts. Oh! So the last few things we have to do is remove the four-wheel drive shifter, and we already took this one out, just kind of shoved it. Oh! Oh! The
I went really fast.
the headliner.
No, it's still not it. No, it's over here more.
That right there, I think it's really like.
No!
He found it. He found it. Yeah. Good job.